Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer, feeling a little bit smug. We've had a customer bring his Cheaney boots in and just say, look, they have these black eyelets on here, and the lace that Cheaney provide is a little bit, it's quite thick, and it just doesn't fit so well on there. And he said, while you've got the boots, I'd like a thinner lace if possible, and could we do something with the eyelets, something like a brass or a antique looking eyelet in there. So I thought, lovely, that's a lot of eyelets to have to move, a hell of a lot of eyelets. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up each side. So 4 9s is a lot. It's a lot. So I just thought that's just, you know, it's just going to take forever. So I thought, what can I do? Because I know the eyelets, these black eyelets, they're actually brass. So look at this here, look at those, look at those, look at those. Don't look too closely because there's still a little bit of paint on them, but look at those there. Look, they look nice. They've got this lovely, it's like a tricker's lace, very similar to a tricker's lace, a waxy woven lace in there, which is far better than the big chunky heavy one that frays. Look, it's not very old, this lace, and it's fraying already. These laces are superb. We have them here at the Shoe Healer, 140 centimeters long, we have them 120 centimeters long, and we have them 75 centimeters long. Yes. So what I did was, I thought, how do we get the paint off? I need to scratch some of the paint off these here because the brass will show through. So I went over to my eyeletting machine and I got the little attachment for the eyelets, for actually crushing the eyelets into place, put it in my drill, and then put it onto the eyelet and then whizzed it round a little bit like this, and look at that, the brass starts to come through. So I had a few minutes with each one getting the brass. Look at that, I'm just taking the paint off and the brass is starting to come through, and this is what the end result is. How clever am I? How smug do I feel that I haven't got to remove all of these 36, is it 36 eyelets? Yes, I've been adding that up while I've been working that out. These are the eyelets that we have, these are the eyelets that would go in, but I think that there is just as good. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Don't look too closely because there is still a little bit of paint on there, but that's just saved me a bit of a job and saved our customer some money.